Alright, so this is a multi-page PDF I was reading yesterday, and honestly, every time I open it, I forget which page I was on. If that happens to you too, here's a simple trick. You can add bookmarks in your PDF just like you do in a real book. To add bookmarks, we'll use this easy-to-use tool called Systweak PDF Editor. Once you open your PDF file, look at the top menu bar. You'll see a tab named Tools. Click on that. Now, here you'll find an option called Bookmark. Just click on it. You'll now see a bookmarks panel appear on the left hand side. All the bookmarks that you create will show up here. Inside this panel, you'll notice an Add Bookmark button. Click on that. Now type a name for your bookmark. Enter the page number you want to mark and then click on Add. As you can see, the bookmark has been added successfully. Alternatively, you can simply scroll and open the page you want to mark, then click on Add Bookmark, and notice that it automatically picks up the page number for you. You just need to type the name and click Add. Super easy, right? Now, if you right click on a bookmark, you'll see three options: Remove, Rename, and Add Child. If you click on Remove, it will delete that bookmark. And of course, you can rename it anytime. Let's see what Add Child does. If you right click on a bookmark and choose Add Child, enter the child bookmark name and the destination page number, then click Add. You'll now see that a sub-bookmark has been added under the main one. This is really useful when you want to bookmark specific topics inside a chapter or create sections within a larger book. The best part, all the bookmarks are saved automatically. You don't need to press any save button manually. Let's test that. I'll close this PDF now and open it again in Systweak PDF Editor. Go to Tools, Bookmarks, and there you go. All the bookmarks are still right here. Just click on any one of them and it will take you straight to that page. So that's how easy it is to create and manage bookmarks in your PDFs using Systweak PDF Editor. You can click on the link given in the description to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the official website. If this video helped you, like it and consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it really keeps us motivated to make more helpful videos for you. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments. I'll definitely try to help. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.